like to take this time to say a big thank you to my grandparents. You guys play a big role in my life. Thanks for raising me. And I don't really have a favorite memory because I loved all the memories I had with you, and I enjoy making new memories with you. Love you. I'd like to make a shout out to my OG grandpa for being the best grandpa ever and like not giving up on me even though he has to put up with my my naughty attitude. And I remember my best memory, well, still living, but my best one was when you always say that if you win the lotto you're gonna take us to Niue, but that day still hasn't come. But yeah, still love you even though Nana passed. Still keep your head up and don't give up on life itself, and yeah, just like mad love from your granddaughter.
Just want to give a shout out to my second parents. I know it must be hard for you to keep up with my behavior. I appreciate what you did for me, and my favorite memory with you is when my nana won the jackpot and she said we're going backwards for a feed, and then we went through the drive-thru and we really got frozen cokes. That's all I gotta say for now. Love yous.
I'd like to make a shout out to my nan for keeping shoes on our feet, food in our stomach, and a roof over our head. And thank you for looking after me when I'm sick. And yeah, I love you.
I just want to shout out to my Nana for looking after me, and thank you for everything that you've done. I love you, Nana.
Hi. I'd like to make a shout out to my amazing grandparents. Thank you for all the things you've done for me and my brothers. Love yous.
I want to make a shout out to my auntie and uncle for helping me through life, for feeding me and my sisters, and making sure we had everything that we wanted. The last memory I had with you guys were when we went to the beach. It was on my 9th birthday. Last time we were there, I almost drowned, but my auntie came and saved me. That's why I want to make a big shout out to her and my uncle.
Special shout out to my grandma. Thank you so much for always looking out for me and always coming and is always present for any of my performances and always giving me money and always being there for me. Thank you so much. I love you.
I just want to say a big thank you to my grandma. Grandma, thanks for being there for me. Thanks for your love, thanks for your care. My best memory I had with you was ever since when Grandpa passed away, we always celebrate Grandpa's birthday. Thanks for your love for my siblings. Thanks for the love for my mom, my dad. I love you, Grandma. And
I just want to say a big thank you to my Nana and Papa for helping me and my siblings and my uncle to follow our school journey and helping us follow our dreams to what we want to do in the future. And thanks for them to paying our stuff and giving up their time to do cooking, laundry, and dropping off lunch. And I just want to say a big thank you for being supporting my mom and being a second parent to us. And my favorite memories with you is from last year when I had my last culture night in primary, and I did my year 6 dance, and both of you came to give my money, and then after my performance, Nana, you came and stole all my money. And I just want to say thanks for putting a roof over us and taking your time to work and to put food on us, and sorry for my cheekiness at home, and yeah, love yous so much.
I wanna make a special thanks to my nana for looking after me and putting a big smile on my face. I just wanna say when I was little, my cousins used to bully me, and my nana used to come around with the broom and smack them. And I used to like her cooking. Her cooking was nice, even though she made different ones. It still made the best. And and I love you.
Thank you for looking after me while my mom was looking for a house. I love you.
I just want to say thank you to my nan looking after us, looking after me when my mom was struggling through some stuff. And I love you. Thank you for coming.
Shout out to my grandparents for raising me to be the girl I am now. Thank you for buying me heaps and heaps of food. Thank you for praying for me, and you guys are the best. I love you.
I want to give a shout out to our grandma for all the support she had for us and for looking after us and raising us as me and Nan's grandchildren. And my favorite memory with my grandma was when we did hold ups. They're all at home because they're not special. Because only I'm special because our grandma only likes me. And yeah, and then we went home and they saw our McDonald's rubbish in the car.
Oh, that was a thing.
And they were all moaning because they didn't get some. And yeah, just want to say I love you, my nana, from the bottom of my heart. And yeah.